We're having a fairy garden party here at Chili's Bakes Cakes, so let's get going. We don't want to be late. Welcome to my fairy garden party. I always wanted to make a tablescape of all things fairy and magical and whimsical, so I decided to create a fairy garden party. There's lots of fun things to see here, and I'll show you guys as we pan over this fun fairy garden party. I have some edible flower suckers, and you can see I have some fairy wand sugar cookies. I made some mini fairy cupcakes and these adorable mini cakes. And also our centerpiece, because whenever you have a big tablescape, you have to have a centerpiece. So this beautiful centerpiece, I made this fun ruffle cake, and I added all of the fun pieces of this fairy garden right on top of this cake, just to make it that much more fairy and whimsical. We also have some mini macarons. I'm going to have separate videos of each and every one of these cute little fairy treats that I made and showed you guys here today. So stay tuned for all those fun videos. I'll have tutorials and show you exactly how I made all of this fairy magic fun. Thanks so much for watching and being here as I show you guys this super fun magical fairy garden party. And stay tuned because there's lots more fairy magic coming at you. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys.